So I just ate a bug. That's delicious. So I just finished up Rustic Road 69 here in Portage. It's Old Agency Road, I think it is. It's very short, like less than a mile long. It takes you all the way down into the Indian Agency Historical Site, which is pretty cool. They do tours, or are open, I guess, from Wednesday to Saturday. Select season, so I think it's May through September, beginning of fall time frame, but definitely worth checking out. And also here, there's a lot within this little road. Is this cool looking bridge right over here, if you can see it. There you go. It also connects to the Ice Age Trail too, so this was a good one. So if you want to see more of my rustic road rides, make sure to subscribe below and follow along. It's a great time.